In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your PS4 lag less. So the first thing you want to do is you want to rebuild the database by holding the PlayStation's power button for 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps, and then you want to go to the option 5 and then press rebuild database and then press OK. And then after that, you want to go to your settings, then go to devices, Bluetooth devices, and then you want to disconnect your DualShock, and then you want to unplug the wire and then plug it back in and then hold your PlayStation button to reconnect it. And then that's pretty much going to reset your controller system and lower the lag on it. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to audio devices and then make sure that these two are the same. And then for this option, you want to uncheck it. So basically every time you start your PlayStation up again, you want to make sure to manually put this back to matching, and that's going to lower your input lag. Because if you have this checked, it's going to always automatically connect it to your headphone, which might be good, but it's another thing that your PlayStation has to memorize doing, and it's going to help lower the lag, trust me. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to accessibility and then press the invert colors and then toggle it off, and then that'll like reset your PlayStation's GPU, and it basically helps with the graphics and just smoothing out the game. And then next you want to go to trophies and then go to the game that you want to play, let's say like Roblox, press the options button on your PlayStation controller and then press sync with PlayStation Network, and then that will also smooth out your game. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to friends and make sure that you delete any of your friends that you don't play with, because if you have no friends, there's a reason like why it'll help your PlayStation feel a lot smoother, because like when you're starting up a new account, your game doesn't have to memorize every single friend that you have. And then if you don't have a lot of friends, or like let's say you have no friends, your PlayStation is going to feel a lot smoother. And also you want to make sure that you unblock any blocked players, because that's just stuff that your PlayStation has to memorize in the background, so it's like extra storage. So once you've done that, you want to go to your notifications, and then you want to delete all of your notifications. So you check your downloads, press options, go to uploads, make sure there's none on all of them, then go to internet browser, and then you want to press options, close the window, make sure there's no other applications or tabs on there, no browsing history, and you want to make sure you go to settings and then delete your cookies and then delete your website data, and then that'll also reduce your lag greatly. And then go to capture gallery, make sure there's none, because you don't want any extra storage on your PlayStation. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your power save settings, and you want to copy these settings and these settings and that. And once you've done that, I guarantee you your PlayStation is going to feel a lot less laggy. And yeah, let me know how that goes, guys.